Ciao bella!
My name is Sergio. My name is Raimondo. I've been working Pellegrini for 20 years. I'm pastry chef. Now I'm gonna make a cannoli, Sicilian cannoli, which you can find any other place. Very quick. 1 kilo flour, 100 grams sugar, 100 grams butter, and 3 eggs. Butter and the eggs. And you mix together until everything is dissolved. Just 1 egg because I'm doing a half a kilo flour, and I put some red wine and some vinegar. But that's you gotta find out when the dough is nice, not hard and not soft. Sì? Now, quando tu devi, se le vuoi fare te, devi vedere c'è quello che io sto facendo. Adesso quando è così, sì? When the butter and the sugar is all together, you put the flour and start mixing. But normally I don't put any vinegar, but I put vinegar because it doesn't take much wine, so to make a crust with a bubble, so I put some vinegar. And now I put wine, red wine, depends how much it takes. I can't measure the wine because sometimes the flavor needs more, sometimes less.
Spieghi che stai facendo. Spieghi.
And now mix everything to make it all together. It's gotta be soft like a lobe. Come si chiama? Earlobe. You touch your lobe. Sì. Adesso è ready, nearly ready, see? Nearly ready.
So no water?
No water at all.
And we've got a claret, it doesn't matter.
Red wine, any red wine.
Any red wine.
Okay, this one part. Now comes the hard part. Now you gotta work the dough at least for 10 minutes.
E vuoi che faccio io?
No, adesso ti faccio vedere qua. Vieni qua. Sì, guarda quanto è soft, vedi? Sì.
For 10 minutes, or is that ready now?
No, well, normally it's for 10 minutes. If you're doing it with the mixture, maybe a bit less. When you see the dough is more or less nice and smooth, then you can stop. Okay. Now, this is gonna rest about minimum 1.5 hours. You put it here. You wet the towel. Okay, now we prepare the table to have a lunch. After lunch, we fry. Now cut the dough. how thin it's gonna go with the machine. For the moment, I make a thin, just to go inside here. Now every time they pass it once, and then they change the number. Maybe number 6 should be alright. But the number 6 with this machine, maybe with another machine is different. Now viene il bello, ok? Now you start cutting. You can cut it, depending on the size you want.
Special guest star appearance from Nonna.
Yeah. And you put it like that, you see? Look at that, sharp. You know, because after with the brush, wet brush, you brush it like that. Just the point. Okay?
And what do you do with the leftovers? Do it again?
And mix it again. Brush. Wet. Not too wet. Okay, then get this one here.
Pastry.
Yes. Not on my face. And make sure it press good. Otherwise, when you put in see?
It's ready to fry.
Like that. You need to try like that with the grill, so the oil go down. You need to try whether to put the shell now in here, because it is small. You cannot put more than 4 at a time. So be careful. 2, and 4. And you gotta keep doing like that until they're ready. See? Yeah,
Okay.
This is ready.
And there you have it.
See?
Finished product,
Finished product.
perfection. Next stage, fill them up.
E la luna a mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma redari.
Okay. 2 kilo ricotta, 150 grams sugar. Sugar is already in 1 day before, so it melted properly.
No, this is natural.
That's it. It's fine enough. Good.
Natural.
Do that one. When you decide to come more or less like that, then you turn over. See? Like that. You do this side.
A mezzo mare, mamma mia, mamma redari. Figlia mia, cudai a stare, mamma mia, pensici tu. Se ti rugna